is Dee from Crystal Crafts with Dee. I have an unboxing to do for you today. This is from Kaisercraft, and it is a beautiful diamond painting. I saw this and I thought, oh, that is so pretty. I must have it. So anyway, this is a gorgeous diamond painting. It comes in these well-printed boxes. They're very sturdy. And on here, it shows you the thumbnail of the diamond painting. Its canvas size is 50 by 40 and the design size is 44 by 34 centimeters, and tells you what's in there. And I like how they do this printing on the box so you can see how it's going to turn out. I really like that. And on the back, it's just got your details on how to diamond paint. So really cute. Anyway, so it was sealed on these bits here. I've just cut those because it's a little bit, got it. It can be a bit hard to get into. Alright, so we have one diamond painting in clear dust cover. Alright. Wow, it's really vibrant. Alright, so first of all, the canvas itself is actually really nice and flexible. It's quite soft. Really nice canvas. You have your diamond painting, drills, and just a standard toolkit. So you just got your single placer pen, wax, and your drill tray. And one beautiful diamond painting. Wow, that is so pretty. I like it because it's a simple design, but it's really lovely. I love all the colors. It's very pretty. So it's a full round drill, and it has 26 colors in it. So what I'm going to do first is to help it relax, because it's been in that box. I'm going to just help it relax a bit by pulling the plastic away. Oops. And just popping that back on top. Oh, everything's a struggle. Got it. That was a bit of a struggle. And same with that side. Oh, man. Oh, gosh, that was a struggle. Anyway, we got it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And we've had planes flying overhead as well. So hopefully that didn't come on camera, but it probably did. Sorry about that. Anyway, so we have this gorgeous diamond painting. It is so beautifully printed and so clear. You won't need a light pad at all. 26 colors. You've got numbers, and then you've got capital letters as well. And your DMC cross-reference, which is really handy. So I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look. And you can see just how beautifully printed the canvas is. Really beautifully printed. You've got two symbol keys, one on each side. Just bring you over to this one. We've got a thumbnail up the top there. And there's your symbol key. So no issues at all reading those symbols. Really beautifully printed. Looking good. Alright, so I'll zoom you back out again. There we go. Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? I love the colors. I love how you've got all your different butterflies. Your colors are balanced really well. It just looks so pretty. And that'll flatten out beautifully. I'll just pop it under a couple of books for a few days and that'll just flatten out beautifully. That is so pretty. I think they've got a blue one as well with butterflies too, but I love the pink. Anyway, we'll have a look at the drills. So the drills come just in your standard packaging. On your strips there. Wow, look at all that pink. Wow, that's a lot of pink. Oh my god, that's a lot of pink. So that background color, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of that background color. I think I'm probably going to be over pink by the end of this. Anyway, we've got 2 strips. So you've got some beautiful bright green, pink, blue. Those drills are looking really good. That's such a pretty color. Drills are looking real nice. Blue, 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 pretty beige. Couple of purples and white. You've got black, red, black, red, beautiful purple, and there's the beginning of your pink. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That background color, red, orange, orange and orange, yellow, really beautiful soft yellow, light blue, another plane flying overhead, pink, red, red, pink, and green. So absolutely gorgeous colors, really beautiful and colorful. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love the size too. It's a really nice size. It's not too small, it's not too big, and it's going to be a lot of fun to do. Really, really pretty. Just gorgeous. And with 26 colors, that's actually quite a lot, considering that you've got that main color takes up so much of it, and then you've just got all these little butterflies. You're going to get some really good shading in those butterflies, especially. I just love these blue ones. I think they're so cool. Really gorgeous. And we'll just do the sticky test. So it's really super sticky. And that cover sheet too, it's quite thick, that cover sheet. Normally, you know, you sort of get the thin plastic. You got to be careful that it doesn't tear, but that's really nice. And as I said, not really worried about that. The slight folds in there, they will come out under books. But isn't that absolutely beautiful? 40 by 50 diamond painting, so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's my latest little purchase that I got from Kaisercraft. Lucky I walked off with 1 and not 20, because there were so many that I wanted, and I thought, no, you know what, I've got to practice some self-restraint here, self-control. I just wanted so many more, but I thought I'll start with this one and then go back when I'm ready. Anyway, beautiful diamond painting from Kaisercraft. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!